Once upon a time, I had a tight deadline. I struggled to transcribe my interview to test until I figured out Otter.ai, the game changer. This might be you too. Take a cup of coffee and relax because I will show you exactly how I use Otter.ai and hence come to my transcription struggles. Hello, I am Wendy, a qualitative data analyst expert. I specialize in assisting PhD or master students, researchers, NGOs to analyze their non-numerical data and make meaning of their messy data. Today, I will walk you step by step through how to sign up for Otter.ai, upload your recordings, and get accurate transcripts without the headache of typing for hours. And don't click away yet, because later in this video, I will show you some powerful hidden features inside Otter.ai that most beginners miss, and they even save you more times.
For you to use Otter.ai to transcribe your audio or video to test, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. That means you have to sign up an account. So most preferably, it's always advisable to continue with Google to save time. Or you can use your email, you can use Microsoft to do that. So we are going to be using Google to sign up. So you are going to enter your preferred email. Then you click on next and not to robot. Next. Then it's asking for password. Next. You want to verify your phone number. You have to choose the country, Nigeria. No. Then you want to verify the phone number. So you just send me an email. So we have almost get signing up. Then you click on next. Continue. You click on continue. So you click on next. If you directing us to our Gmail again, then this is the email you use to sign up. You click on it. Then click on continue. Then you click on continue. Then you click on next again. You click on next. So for this particular sign up, we want to use it for our research. So all you need to do is to click on the field or the reason why you are signing up on Otter.ai. Why do you use Otter.ai? So you are clicking on research, and an individual contributor, then transcribe audio for interviews. Then you click on next. Then it's asking us to try the trial version, but for this video, I'm going to be using the free version. So the free version, you can only record or transcribe a 30-minute discussion. So you can't exceed that. Continue with Otter.ai. It's asking us to install. You don't need to install it, but if you feel like you can install it, then you can choose any of these options that we have here. So you have successfully signed up using, or you have successfully signed up on Otter AI. So this is Otter AI dashboard. So let's quickly get familiar with the Otter AI. So we have the phone, we have Otter AI chat, we have Slack, we have app, we have channels, then direct message folder, then get the code. Then we have meeting, we have calendar, we have action item. So now, as long as we have transcribed any document, it's going to appear here. You know, I said it has a paid version, it also has a free version. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be concentrating on the free version. So if you really want to enjoy Otter AI, all you need to do is to subscribe. A year plan is there, a monthly plan is there. So let's try to subscribe to Otter AI. So when you click on Get Pro, then it will redirect you to where you can sign up. So now, on a monthly basis, you have access to over 300 minutes for free. If you are here to watch my previous video on how to transcribe using Microsoft Word or Google Documents for translation, please go and watch it. There is a way I use Microsoft Word to transcribe audio, play my video side by side. So for you to use the 30-minute video, you have to ensure that you play your video side by side. That is, you're going to split your screen into two. Then you play your video on one side, then Contact AI will be transcribing to the other side. There are another different feature, just like just like Microsoft Word. You can also transcribe by uploading your file. But for other AI, you can only upload your file 3 times, and after that 3 times, you have to buy the pro. Do you understand? So, and it can only transcribe within 30 minutes interview. So, if your interview exceeds that, then it means that you cannot transcribe on Twitter AI. So we have different features, as I said. I just click on the recording aspect. So whatever I'm saying, Twitter AI will start typing it, just like the way we use it on Google Documents and Microsoft Word. So you can see on my screen that Twitter AI is typing what I've said verbatim. It also includes the timestamp. It's very easy and soft. So we are going to stop this session. One thing I so much like about Otter.ai is that it's going to transcribe from you verbatim, but not 100% accurate. So that is where you need proofreading. So what you need to do is to follow this my series, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how to clear a messy data. So now, when you come to this camera logo side, click on it. This enables us to upload. This enables us. Click on this. You can see it has got that inbox beside the recording. Click on it. Then browse. That is any of your preferred location. You can just select any video. Let's use this my self-introduction video. Then before you know it, it will upload it. Just like the new Microsoft. Please, if you have not watched my video on Microsoft and Google Documents, how to use it to transcribe, please go ahead. Then you can see it's not transcribing, then it will convert it to text automatically within the shortest time. Within the shortest time, you don't need to waste time for that. And before you know, so if you have like 30 or 40 transcripts you want to transcribe, using Otter AI full version, you can also do that. And if you cannot use this, you can also use your Microsoft Word, but it's also a plain version. Microsoft 365. With that, you can easily transcribe for free within the shortest time. So we have our transcripts ready. Everything I said in that video, Otter AI has helped us to transcribe it. Another beautiful feature on Otter AI is summary. It can summarize everything discussed during the interview session, and this one really help your analysis. It will help in writing your detailed report. And another beautiful thing about Otter AI is that you can link Otter AI to your Google app. You can also link it with your um, Zoom app. It will help you to transcribe during those meetings or during those tutorial classes while you do your class. You can link it up with any of your software and it will get the data for you. So now that we're done transcribing, what you need to do is to click on these three dots. Let's go back to transcript. Click on these three dots. Then you see export. Export. So you don't need to check anything here. All you need to do is to click on export. So Otter.ai is going to export this document in text format. Can you see in text format? So now all you need to do is to press on your keyboard Control A, Control A, Control C. Then you minimize this. Then you come to Microsoft Word and paste it. Then you can now save your documents with your preferred name, maybe transcript 1, transcript 2, transcript 3, whichever one that is more suitable to you.
And that is it. Now you know how to transcribe your audio and video with Otter.ai, completely free and save hours of your time. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and research walkthrough, and drop a comment below if this tutorial will help you transcribe like a pro. And remember, work smart, not hard. Thank you for watching.